Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of privacy on the application of Flow. You will go to settings. In this page, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search about Flow and you will click here. In this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Then here we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Flow. Here you will uninstall your app and you will install it again. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.